point of brotherhood. So excel in one area if you lack in others. I have people say to me, Andrew, I'm short. What do I do? I'm short. Okay, God made you short. Fine, good. Doesn't matter. You can't change it. What you can do is become as strong as an ox and become filthy rich and monumentally important and extremely influential. You can do that. People say, I'm poor. You should be strong. Oh, I'm strong, but I don't have any money. Okay, then teach others to be strong.
Yes.
There's always a way you can take your advantages and use them. And by teaming up with other men, other people, you can build a team in which there are no weaknesses. So if you have a disadvantage, you also have somewhere God has given you a distinct advantage over others. And it is your duty to excel in that realm. It is your duty to become so monumentally influential and powerful within that specific criteria in which you have the capability to be brilliant, that your weaknesses no longer appear because they can be simply overshadowed by your network or overshadowed by your absolute competence. By constructing the correct mindset, you can be in the exact same scenario you're currently in, living the exact same life with a different mental model in which you view the world, and you will not only feel more powerful, you will be more powerful, you'll achieve more amazing things, you will be greater, you will be happier, with the same car, the same woman, the same house, the same income, the same everything, but your mind changes the lens in which you view the world. Lenses change things, rose-tinted glasses, perhaps dark glasses. You can put glasses on, change the lens, and you can view the world differently by changing how your mind is constructed and put together and the way you view the world. That is the point of mental IQ.
Good day, my friends. What a happy Monday. Money Monday, that's what we're going to call it. Congratulations. I'm going to show some proof, too, in this video. Join the group. Get the free signals. Drastically in the profits. We're going to start with Bitcoin, though. We'll start with the one I would think I was wrong about, but that's okay. Can't win them all. Can't win them all. I think I was here, something like that. There was a tell that it was possibly going to drop down to 90 or 92,000 massive liquidity zone. It did not. It did not. So this only confirms one thing. A, we're here to stay. It's either going to test this as support, probably drop down here in the next 4 hours, and then A, fly up, or B, fall to 90. If you're still in a short position, technically you could still ride it out. You could. It is giving a sell signal right now, so you know what? Let's say even if you got in around here, honestly, you can still make some profits, guys. So just, you know what? Hold the sell positions. Moving relatively slow. We got a little bit of a pop from earlier. However, it's not going to go that far. Let's see what it says on day chart. Yeah, see, in that, you know what? This is all the more reason why to look for a way out of your sell position. If we're going to look at it like it's consolidation trading sideways, we're expecting, this would be a technical bounce. So this could take us somewhere else. Careful. But before it does, we're going to need a settle, and we're going to need a confirmation. So that's a lot of scribbles. We're going to need a confirmation of the bottom. So be ready for that. So look for your sell positions to get out of. And we'll be looking in the buy zone. The buy zone after it's done in the liquidity. You'll look for a buy position to possibly ride it up. Who knows? Maybe we'll next roundabout, we'll probably see 120. I don't doubt it. This could be like 2 months down the line, though, guys. So, we're going to look for the buy spot for a long hold. Overall, that's my prediction. And you know what? Just to dive in, I suppose the opposite is possible. You know what is even more even possible also? If it does sell off, let's say it does break this support, then expect a bounce. It always, there's one piece of information you could take from this. It always bounces off the moving average. Check it, watch it, embed it in your mind. It's important, and then ride it up. All right, there you go. And of course, there is the possibility that it could just fall below, but that would take a lot of strength to do so, and that would be like thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. It's not going to happen. All right, moving on. Okay, so we got West Texas Intermediate crude oil, American crude oil. Why not? I guess I could go and show the signal. I'll show them afterwards. I think everybody's in the profits. I kept this relatively simple, you know. It was like something like buy around 71, take around 72. I think I had two signals that were that. Boom, boom, and boom, boom. No, that's too far back. Somewhere in here and then there. But what can we expect? We're on days, so, you know, oil moves a little slower. Sorry, I got the TV going. Oil is moving a little slower, but it is giving a indication of a nice little bounce right there, you know. So I think today, hold on, I'm checking the size of that wick. So you got a nice long stem on that wick, so that leads me to believe that we are going to test 72.75. You know, technically I wouldn't buy in. It's too late. If you are in a buy position, good for you. Hold it to 72, 72.5 to be safe, right? That's where you want to go with that. Absolutely. I suppose it could bounce technically right there, but based off that little general wick, we're getting some, you know, some bullish activity, right? So this is the area you're going to want to get out of if you're in one of those buy positions. The real reason for the video. Here we go. Let's make some history. I behold gold. XAU. Let's go. Here it is. All right. These signals were drastically correct. Feels good. I'm glad I made you guys money. Should be drastically in the profits right now. You know, that's the word of the day. It's called drastic. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Buy zone. Buy zone around 58, right? Told you get in buy positions. Buy positions. You know. And we've been riding it up all night. This is all one night. Hallelujah. Here, let me break it down again. Hold on. Let me break this. Let's do it on 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. So, buy. And then we reached an area of take profit. It's not coming up correctly. There we go. All right. And then we had the initial sell-off. And then I said, what did I tell you again? Buy around, what is 28.99? Is that it? Yeah, 28.99, 2900. Beautiful. Buy in again. And I just told you, take profit again, take profit. Everybody's in happy profits. It's very good. You know, stay caffeinated, stay happy. We're not going to be looking for sell positions. No, you know. We don't trade against the trend. It's not something you want to do, guys. Just stay safe with this. Like you could, if you did want to sell down and you were going to sell down to 2,900, you can do that. You can. However, we are in a bullish market. I wouldn't recommend doing it because what if the market changes? What if it starts? Because we're going to see 3,000 at some point. That's for sure. You know, just stick with what you stick with the process. You know, it's not always about making drastic amounts of money. It's about making progress, right? But yeah, so long story short, you know, happy profits, Money Monday. Let's go. And you know what? I'm going to just show some of the signals just to show that it proved out. Anyone is welcome. Anyone is welcome, even if you just want to just view it just for kicks. So yeah, if you want to check out Top Margin Trades on Facebook, you totally can. See, that all proved out. It was a few hours ago. Sift through the crap. This is the one I would be wrong about. Buy positions layered. See, absolutely proven out. And there you go, my friends. You got your layered buy positions in. You know, everything worked out better than expected, you know. I do tend to wish that I bought in a little more in the buy zone, but whatever. There are plenty more opportunities to come, you know. I don't really know what kind of prediction I have. This is unprecedented because we're in uncharted territory, you know. There is no history past this to fall back on. We don't know what's going to happen because it's never reached 2,900 before. We can just safely assume that based on previous times before, that it always sticks with a very the even solid number. So when I mean that, it's like hundreds, in the hundreds of dollars. So around 2,900 you'll find a sell, or you'll find, a stabilization, right? Or consolidation. Sorry, lose my train. Running out of time. So what I mean by that is prepare for, where is it? The eventuality of 3,000. Definitely, guys. This gold jumps $100 before plenty of times. It's a very volatile market. So, just join the group and stay with the signals. Make sure your portfolio is cash positive. Get yourself some progression, right? You can also monitor your account for you, or you can just take my free signals or get my private signals sent directly to you. Teach you how to trade. It's about making money, guys. It's about progress and making money. Discipline, patience, consistency. Anyways, that's all for today. As always, good luck.